Good morning, everyone. Today is the last day for the chapter of 15.2. It's a big chapter in our syllabus. So, this is the last part, short answer type question, sum number 3. In the adjoining figure, three circles with centers A, B, C touch one another externally. If AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter, and CA equal to 6 centimeter, let us find the length of the radius of circle with center A. So, first of all, we're gonna draw this diagram. So this is the no it should touches both the circles, so therefore one minute, all of you. So this should be the diagram. So these are the three centers. First of all, we have to join this and make sure this is gonna be a triangle. So this is center B, this is center A, this is center C, and this gonna be P, this gonna be Q, and this gonna be R. First of all, let A, B, C radius of circle be X, Y and Z. So we're gonna assume that this is gonna be X, so therefore AP is the radius, this is X, AQ is the radius, this is X, this is Y, this is Y, this is Z, this is Z. So therefore here we're gonna write AP equal to AQ equal to X, BP equal to BZ, sorry, BR equal to Y, and CQ equal to AQ, sorry, CQ equal to CR, CR equal to Z. So first of all, AB equal to 5 centimeter. So AB means X plus Y equal to 5. AC means X plus Z equal to 6, and BC means Y plus Z equal to 7. So if we're gonna add this, we get X plus Y plus X plus Z plus Y plus Z equal to 5 plus 6 plus Z. So here 2x, 2y, 2z, we're gonna take common 2. So therefore x plus y plus z equal to 18. So therefore x plus y plus z equal to 9. Now we have to go on we have to find the radius of the A. So therefore we have to find the x. We know the value of y plus z 7. So therefore x equal to x plus y plus z minus y plus z. If we're gonna subtract this, therefore the remaining part is x. So therefore x plus y plus z is 9 and y plus z is 7. So 9 minus 7, 2 centimeter. So the radius of the A is 2 centimeter. This is sum number 4. In the adjoining figure, two tangents drawn from external point C to a circle with center O touches the circle at the points P and Q respectively. A tangent drawn at another point R of a circle intersects CP and CA at the points A and B respectively. If CP equal to 11 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter, let us determine the length of the beer. Here I don't copy the whole question, just only writing those important things. So you gonna copy total this from the in the adjoining to length to be a total question. So therefore we gonna first draw this diagram. This diagram should be like this one. So now this is C, A, B, this is gonna be R, this is P, this is Q, and this is O. So from C there are two tangents so therefore the length of these two tangents are always equal. So therefore we're gonna say that CP equal to CQ from the point C. These are two tangents, this is CP and this is CQ. So CP equal to CQ equal to 11 centimeter. Now here we know that BC equal to 7 centimeter. So if BC equal to 7 centimeter, BQ equal to 11 minus 7 equal to 4 centimeter. Now see, this B is also an external point, and from B there are two tangents. There are two tangents, BQ and BR. Here write that CP and CQ. So from the B, these are two tangents BR and BQ. So therefore the length of the BQ and BR is equal. So therefore BQ equal to BR. So therefore we can say that BR equal to 4 centimeter. This sum number 5. The lengths of the radius of two circles are 8 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and distance between two centers is 13 centimeter. Let us find the length of a common tangent of two circles. Very important sum. So first we have to draw So this is the diagram. Okay, now this is the smaller circle and this is the greater circle. The smaller circle with radius 3 centimeter and the larger circle with radius 8 centimeter. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So we're gonna say that CQ equal to 3 centimeter, AP equal to 8 centimeter, and given that the distance between these two centers is 13 centimeter, so therefore PQ equal to 13 centimeter. So here what I do take a arc or take a point here on the radius AP is B, which is equal to 3 centimeter. So therefore this is 3, this is also 3. So this is so if this is 13, this is also 13, it's a parallelogram here. So therefore we're gonna say that therefore BP equal to 3 centimeter equal to CQ. So AP equal to, if AP equal to 8 centimeter and BP equal to 3, therefore AB equal to 8 minus 3, 5 centimeter. BC is equal to PQ equal to 13 centimeter. Why? Because BPQC is a parallelogram. Now BP always perpendicular on the tangent AC, so therefore angle PAC equal to 90 degree. So if angle PAC equal to 90 degree, so angle BAC is also 90 degree. Angle BAC is also 90 degree. So in triangle BAC, we know that in this triangle BAC, this is 90 degree, this is 5 and this is 13. So it's a right angle triangle. So right angled is angle BAC, and therefore the hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle. So therefore the hypotenuse is BC. So therefore we're gonna say that by Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So we know the value of BC, BC is 13 square. We know the value of AB, this is 5 square plus AC square. So therefore AC square equal to 169 minus 25. So AC equal to root over 144 equal to 12 centimeter. So therefore the common tangent is AC, which is gonna be 12 centimeter. Very important sum, very important.